Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. Today we are just going to see in the lecture series in the topic of biometrics in the subject cryptography and cybersecurity. Biometrics in general, it refers to the measures and statistic analysis of people's unique physical and behavior characteristics. Here the purposes it is used for identification and access control. Now let us see few types of biometrics. Biometrics in general it consists of physiological and behavioral types of biometrics. First, under physiological it means consists of face, fingerprints, hand, iris, DNA. All this comes under the physical. Whereas in the behavior it consists of keystrokes, signature, and voice. All this comes under the behavior. Face in the sense here the recognition of biometrics it will be considered with the face, whereas fingerprint is a fingerprint as we know. Hand is that we have to use the hand. Iris is your eye. DNA in the sense they'll take a DNA, in that they will see a biometrics. All these comes under. Let's see how the fingerprint works. It mainly uses minute points in which here pattern matching will occur. Next, these applications of this it is used for mobile security and it is used for attendance system. Next is facial recognition. Facial recognition here it is mainly used for analyzes facial features. It mainly affected by lights and pose and again. Next comes the iris and the retina scanning. In this case of iris and retina scanning, it mainly uses the colored ring and around the pupil. And then it is mainly used for analysis the unique pattern of blood vessels. Next is a biometric system architecture. Here the biometric system architecture, it mainly consists of the following, that is sensor, feature extraction and database matcher, etc. Here the workflow which include is it will capture the capture first and then it will extract and then it will match and then finally the decision will be taken place. Here it mainly consists of two things, that is your identification and verification. In the sense identification is first your fingerprint sensor will be sent and then feature extraction will be taken place, whereas in the case of verification fingerprint sensor and same the feature extraction will be taking place. Finally here the matching will be taken place and then verified, and finally matching it will be taken from the database and then finally it will be matched with your fingerprints whether it is yours or not. All this will be taken place in the biometric system architecture. Next comes the applications of biometrics. Some of the few applications of biometrics are here is your security system, then banking and finance. Next is your healthcare. Next is your e-governance, that is your Aadhaar and e-passport. On all these places here, we are just using the biometrics. First is a security system. Security system in the sense you have to be a since for the security purpose your personal information should not be shared with others, so that we are using this security system. Banking and finance, as we know, it must be a confidential one so that no one should use the data. Then healthcare in the sense your health record should not be used by the others, only it must be known by you. Then e-governance in the sense you will be given a separate Aadhaar and your e-passport is also be given to you. Your Aadhaar will be taken with the help of your iris. All this comes under the applications of biometrics. Here let us see some of the advantages and disadvantages of biometrics. Here Advantages is it is difficult to forge. It is in case of difficult to forge in the sense they can't use the wrong data. Only biometric in the sense it is be unique with each person's, so that no one can there no forgery will occur in this biometrics. It is convenient. It is also most convenient in all the cases. It is a fast authentication, so that no one can use this. This is one of the main advantages. Next comes the disadvantages here. Privacy concerns. It involves some of the privacy concerns, so that it is main disadvantages. Some system errors may occur in case of keeping a biometric. Some system errors may occur, so that it is also having a disadvantages. Thank you.